Hey guys, I want to apologize for missing 1989 and other good stuff earlier because I was on vacation once again. But anyways, I'm back in time to get Amtrak and some other trains are rolling in. So here comes Amtrak. I heard he's going to have to stop here because of that next way that's pulling in. That's going to go on the side and go around him and stuff. And probably some more trains are on the way as well. So what? Oh yeah, Kansas City Southern Medical's on in tomorrow, and we'll check him out whatever he gets here. Here comes Amtrak. There goes Amtrak. 69 with our horn show. That was sweet. Alright, you guys. There goes Amtrak Texas Vehicle 21, leading 69 plus a horn show. He's gonna make a temporary stop because of freight train congestion. Northbound's coming in about 15 minutes or so. Stay tuned. Bye bye.